So in the previous video, we have created a screenshot application using which we can take the screenshot of our screen. So let me just try to run it and show you the output of it. So it takes the screenshot and save it in this screenshot data folder. And as you can see, here is the screenshot from my desktop screen. So let me just try to close it. And in this video, what we are going to do is, like, we are going to be adding a GUI for this screenshot program which we have created. So for that, first of all, we are going to be importing a library which is a built-in module in Python, that is tk-enter. So I will type import tk-enter as tk. So we are importing the tk-enter module into a variable which we are calling here is tk. So we have added as tk, so we don't need to write the full form of the module every time, like do tk-enter everywhere. We can just do tk dot and we can call the function like we did here. Like if I do here as ss, so I can replace the GUI Pyato GUI name with ss. So I will just remove that from here, and that was just for explaining you that we can get the entire module into a variable name. So now what we will do is we will do root. I have removed the function call from here, and I will do root equals to tk dot capital TK. The T will be capital here, and after that we are going to be creating a frame for our GUI. So I will type frame equals to tk dot frame, and in here we are going to be passing the variable which we created root. And after that, what we will do is frame dot pack. So pack, so it will create a, what you can say, a screen for us. So after that, we are going to be needing two buttons for one for taking the screenshot and another for, what you can say, is the quit the application. So we will do button equals to tk dot button, and in here we are going to be passing some values which will be frame. So we want our button to be in the frame, and I will separate it with a comma. And after that, I want the text on the button to be we will pass it as a string. So it will be take screenshot shot, and we will add a comma here, and after that we will do command equals to. So here we are going to be adding the variable or our function name which is screenshot. So I will do screenshot, and we are going to be calling our function which is screenshot function, and that's it. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to create another button. So let me just place my button first. So I will do button dot pack, side equals to tk dot left. So it will place my button at the left of the screen. So I will do left in capitals, and I will create a quit button or close buttons. We can't use the quit variable because it is a predefined variable in Python. So we will use close, and here we are going to do tk dot button or what we will do is we will just copy this code from here, that will be the same, and we will be just changing the text inside this inside the button. So we will do it as quit. We will change the text name to quit, and the function will be also quit. And after that we will do close, or I will just copy this thing from here, paste it here, and just replace the name to close, and we will do root dot main loop. And if we save the program now, so it will create a GUI for us which has two buttons named at text screenshot, as well as another button will be quit. So let me just try to save this program, and if we run it, so it should pop up a GUI for us. So as you can see here, we have got an GUI first, and if we do it full screen, so you can see that there are two buttons, take screenshot and quit. So I will click on quit right now, and I will just remove this 5-second sleep from here. So it will take the screenshot as soon as we click on the button, and I will just save it and run the code again, and just ignore this error, and I will just press don't show me again, and let me show you the GUI, and you can see we have created the GUI name. So here is our GUI for the screenshot application. So I will do it full screen, and if I click on the screenshot function or the screenshot button, so it will take a screenshot for us, and as you can see we have got the screenshot here. And if I close it and if I click on it again, so it will take another screenshot for me. So now what I will do is I will change the desktop wallpaper and click on it again, so you can see that it has taken the screenshot again first. So you can use it whenever you want, and you can launch it in the background, and you can use it whenever you want. There are also minimize, maximize button available on here, and you can even close it by clicking here, or you can use the quit button which we have created. So that was it for this session. In the next session we are going to be creating another project from the very basics of it and understanding how it works. So without wasting your time, let's move into the next session of this course.